Next case, case number 2. Here they gave share of new partner. They will give in the problem share of new partner is given, and also state the ratio in which the remaining share is shared among the old partner. They will give 2 points here. One, they will give new partner share, and one more they will states that in which ratio they are going to share the remaining share. Along with the old ratio, they will give old ratio, new partner share, and the remaining share should be distributed, the ratio in which the remaining share should be distributed among the old partners. This one they will give you in the problem. At that time, how you will get the new profit sharing ratio. To calculate new profit sharing ratio, when they will give new partner share, old ratio, new partner share, and the ratio in which the remaining share should be distributed among the old partner. The formula is new share is equal to agreed share into remaining share. New share is equal to agreed share into remaining share. This I already explained you in the previous class. Which class? When you need to calculate sacrifice ratio. At that time, the case 5, I told you that they will ask this type of problem to calculate new profit sharing ratio and not for which one? Sacrifice ratio, because the steps will be more for that. So in that, to calculate sacrifice ratio, we have extended one more step there, but here we need to stop for the first step only. Just you need to calculate here new profit sharing ratio, and then whatever you will get, you need to stop there only. No need to calculate here sacrifice ratio. The next step will be sacrifice ratio if they asked in the problem. There it is case 5 and here it is case 2. Okay, almost this is almost same only. There one step will be more in sacrifice ratio, but here in new profit sharing ratio it is only one step. Remember, it is only one step. Okay, to understand this, already you have learned this, but still I will do one problem for you. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. So their old ratio is 5:3. They admit C into partnership and give him 1/5 share. Give him how much share? 1/5 share. A and B agreed to share the remaining share in the ratio of 3:2. Remaining share in the ratio of 3:2. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. First step, what we need to do? We need to write the formula. Before writing the formula, what we need to consider here? First, let the share of the firm be how much? 1, correct? In that we need to find out the remaining share. How we will find out the remaining share? By deducting new partner share from 1. Okay. Now, new partner. Who is the new partner here? New partner is C, correct? New partner C's share. How much it is? He is for 1/5 share. He joined to the partnership firm for 1/5 share. So 1/5. Next, what you need to do? Therefore, remaining share. Remaining share is equal to what you need to do? We have done this in the previous class. That is 1 minus 1/5. 1 minus 1/5. How much it will come? I told you the formula. 1 is a whole number. Again, below denominator will come 1. Highest will be the 5. 5 you need to take it as a denominator, common denominator for both. 5 divided by 1, it will come 5. 5 ones are 5. And here 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 ones are 1. That is 5 minus 1. How much it will come? 4. So it is 4/5. I told you one more method. 5 minus 1, how much it will come? 4. 4/5 is the remaining share. Next, what you need to do? Write the formula. What is the formula? New share or NPSR is equal to agreed share agreed share into remaining share. Agreed share into remaining share. Write three partners' name. So A, B and C, so that you can't leave C. If you follow this method to calculate new profit sharing ratio, it is easy for you because we can't leave him. From the beginning only we can add and we will get the answer at last. Or else what you people will do is sacrifice ratio you will practice by doing only for 2. You will do the same thing till the end. You will leave this person. So don't do like that. Instead of that, you start writing like this only, A, B and C. Now what is the agreed share? Agreed share is here. That is 3:2. We have not written here. I will write here. Agreed share. Always practice writing whatever it is given in the problem before doing the problem. It is easy for you to calculate. That is 3:2. 3:2. This is for A and B. This is 3/5 and 2/5. Okay. Now agreed share we will take here. Agreed share for A is 3/5 into remaining share how much? 4/5. Next take for B. Agreed share is 2/5 into remaining share is how much? 4/5. Next new partner share 1/5, take as it is. Okay. Now get the answer. This is what we need to do here, multiplication and not this one subtraction. So numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 3 4s are 12, 5 5s are 25. Here 2 4s are 8, 5 5s are 25. Let it be 1/5 like this only. Right here now. This answer you got 12/25 and B you got 8/25. Now what you need to do? Convert. Now C's which one? Denominator to common denominator. Common is now 25. After doing this, what you need to do? Take your calculator. 25 divided by 5. You will get 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 25 divided by 5. Answer will come 5. 5 ones are 5. Now add everything. 12 plus 8. It will come 20 plus 5. It is 25. That is equals to the denominator. Then what it means? Your new profit sharing ratio is correct. Okay. Now right here. Therefore, new profit sharing ratio of who and all? A, B and C are 12:8:5. 12:8:5. Whether it is possible for you to write it in a simplification form? No. Can you tell me why? See, 12 and 8 can be divisible from 2, right? But 5 it is not possible from 2. See, only 2 numbers are possible to divide from one number, means you can't write in a simplification form. What is the rule to write in a simplification form? All the 3 numbers should be divisible from one number. It is not at all possible in this case. That's why you need to leave like this only. That is 12:8:5. This is considered as new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C. Once again I will explain. First thing what you need to write here, what you need to consider, let the share of the firm be 1, because in 1 only they will divide they will divide among the partners. That's why first sentence we will write, let the share of the firm be 1. New partner share, new partner is C. C's share is 1/5. It is given in the problem. Next, therefore, we need to find out the remaining share. Remaining share, it is easy to find out. 1 minus 1/5. It will come 4/5. I told that's whole number. Denominator will be also same. That will be 1. So at that time it will come 5 minus 1. That is 4/5. Or else you can do 5 minus 1. 4. 4/5. Next, write the agreed share. It is given in the problem. That is 3:2. The ratio of 3:2. 3/5 and 2/5. Next, what you need to do, write the formula. New profit sharing ratio is equal to agreed share into remaining share. Agreed share of A is 3 by 5 into remaining share is 4 by 5, and agreed share of B is 2 by 5 into remaining share is 4 by 5. Now after writing that, and write the new partner share also along with that, so that you can't leave him. After writing that, do the multiplication, numerator into numerator. 3 4s are 12, 5 5s are 25, 2 4s are 8, and 5 5s are 25. After doing this, after writing this, now convert new partner's share to the common denominator, that is 25. Now how to get the numerator? 25 divided by 5, you will have how much? 5, 5 ones are 5. Now add all the numerator, 12 plus 8 plus 5. If it equals to the denominator, then your ratio is correct. So this is how you are going to calculate new profit sharing ratio under case 2. Case 2 says that which and all will be in the problem? Old ratio, new partner share, and the ratio in which old partner sacrifice, old partner ratio in which the old partners share the remaining share, when it is given. At that time you need to do, you need to apply this formula, and you need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Let us do one more problem regarding this. I will do one more problem. The rest of the problem is there in the question bank. So that is your homework part. So after watching this video, you can try to do those problems. After completing that problem, I will give you extra problem for homework. These problems, what and all I solved for the first case, and for this, just make a note in the rough note, and later you can copy the same to the notes. I'll give only one problem. Remaining two problems, whatever I have done here, no, that same thing you need to copy to your notes. Okay, let us move to the next problem. I'll do the next one now. Here I gave one more problem. Rama and Soma are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. In the ratio of 4:3, they admit Bhima into partnership. And give him 1/6 share. Rama and Soma agreed to share the remaining share equally. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So what is the first step? First step, we need to write here, let the share of the firm be 1. After that, who is a new partner now? The new partner is Bhima. So write here new partner, Bhima's share. How much it is? It is 1/6. Now, agreed share. What is the agreed share in the problem? Can anyone tell me agreed share? In the previous problem, they have given you what? They have given you the ratio. But here, read once again whether there any ratio is given for remaining or agreed share. Sorry, not for the remaining. Agreed share they have given anything? No. What they gave? Just they have given the remaining share. No ratio is given, but they have given equally. What they gave? Equally. Equally means what? How much it will come? Equally means it is among how many members, how many partners? It is among only 2 old partners. It is agreed share is related to only the old partner. So it will come how much? 1/2 and 1/2. Why it came 1/2? Because they have mentioned in the problem it is equally. Equally means there are only 2 persons, that is 1:1. If there are 3 persons, 1:1 it will come. Here only 2 persons, 2 partners. So that will come 1:1. 1 plus 1 how much? 2 and 2. Okay. So when they will give equally in the problem, you need to consider that will be 1:1. This is related only to the old partner. That's why you need to write here only for 2. So this is for whom it is? Rama, and this is for Soma. They have not given the ratio. Instead of that, they have mentioned what? Equally. Equally means you need to write like that. Next step, what you need to find out? Therefore, remaining share. Remaining share how much? 1 minus 1 by 6. You will get how much? 6 only denominator. 6 minus 1 it will come 5. Remaining share is 5. Okay. Now 5 by 6. Now write the formula. NPSR, new profit sharing ratio, is equal to, what is the formula? Agreed share into remaining share. Agreed share into remaining share. Now, next step, what you need to do? Write all the 3 partners' name. Who are they? First one is Rama. Next one is Soma. And the last one is Bhima. After writing this, apply the values now. Agreed share is how much for Rama? That is 1 by 2 into remaining share how much? 5 by 6. Here also for Soma, agreed share is 1 by 2 and remaining share is 5 by 6. And for Bhima, his share is 1 by 6. Write like that only. After writing this, what you need to do? Multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. 5 ones are 5. 6 twos are 18. Next, 5 ones are 5. 6 twos are 18. And leave that 1 by 6 like that only. Next step, we are going to do that. So, how much it will come? 5 ones are 5. And here 18. Next. Sorry, this is 2 6 are, I have thought this 3. This is 2 here. So 2 6 are 12 and 5 ones are 5. Here 2 6 are, it is 12 and 5 ones are 5. Let it be this 1 by 6 like that only. Next, what you need to do? Write here 5 by 12 and here it is 5 by 12. And next, now you need to convert this denominator to common denominator. So write here 12 first. 12 divided by 6, take your calculator. 12 divided by 6, it will come 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Add now 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So how much it will come? 12. That is equals to the denominator. Therefore, what you need to write? NPSR of who and all? Rama, Soma and Bhima are 5:2. 5:2. Whether it is possible to write it in a simplification form? No. Why? Because only 2 numbers can be divisible from 5 and not this number. So when it is not possible, when all the 3 numbers are not possible, you can't write it in a simplification form. Just you need to write like that only, leave like that only as a new profit sharing ratio. In this problem, what is the change? They have given the agreed share, that remaining share, whatever they will get there, that should be divided among the old partners equally. They have mentioned instead of giving a ratio. When they have given equally means you need to write agreed share is always for only 2 old partners. So when it is for 2, 1:1 will come. 1 plus 1 it will come 2. So that's why it is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Next, need to find out remaining share. 1 minus new partner share. You will get 5 by 6. And after that, write the formula. New profit sharing ratio is equal to agreed share into remaining share. Agreed share is equally, so that's why it will come 1 by 2 into remaining share is how much? 5 by 6. So that the product of that will come 5 by 12. Next, again for Soma is also same, 1 by 2 into remaining share 5 by 6 and the product is 5 by 12. last person, new partner, leave like that only 1 by 6. Write his share and leave like that only. Next, write 5 by 12 for Rama and 5 by 12 for Soma, and now you need to convert his denominator to their denominator, common denominator. It is 12. 12 divided by 6, you will get 2. 2 ones are 2. Now if you add all the numerator, it will be equals to the denominator. So your problem is correct. Therefore, NPSR, new profit sharing ratio of Rama, Soma and Bhima are 5:2. You can't write it in a simplification form because all the three numbers are not possible to divisible from one single number. Here ends case 2. In the next, we will continue with the next case of calculating new profit sharing ratio.